Hello everyone. So this is Moria again, and today I have learned about the solid principles. And let's start with the S in the solid. The S stands for single responsibility principle. What does it mean? It means that a class can have only one reason to change. And let's say a class have various responsibilities. So what I will do is I will try to create a different classes for various responsibilities. So here is what I will do. There will be a main class and then the responsibilities will be given to the another classes, and also there will be a controller that will be controlling all this if required. If not, then no need. And in the main class I will have only the data and the constructor that initialize those data, and I will pass this into its function argument so that I can use them. Now the second one is open close principle, which says that a class should be open for extension but closed for modification. And how does we try to implement that? Basically, uh, we use interfaces or abstract class in order to make the code extensible. It means there will be an interface and the main class will talk to the interface, and the interface will be extended by these classes. So every other class that implement this interface will have this method that is present in the interface. So they will have only these methods, and also they can add their additional methods as well. So this is what open close principle is. The third one is Liskov substitution principle. What does it says? It means I should be able to swap the parent object and the child object interchangeably. Means whatever the contract of parent is, the child should obey that. It means that, and how do we achieve that? I achieve that by creating a separate interface for the child class which I want, or the property that I want the class to be obeyed, and extend this with that child class. So there will be a main class that I say client, the parent, and the child. Extend this parent, but the child also extend this interface, so it also follow the interface as well. Now the I in solid stand for interface segregation principle. It says here, as the name suggests, we are segregating something. And what is that thing that we are segregating? It means the interface that we are creating, the child does not contain the things in the interface that I am not using. So what I will do in order to make them follow the interface segregation principle, we segregate them. So the similar thing came in one interface and other will go to another interface. And my classes will talk to the interface and whatever they are required. Now the D in the solid stand for dependency inversion principle. So firstly, uh, let me define it what dependency inversion is. Dependency inversion means the higher level classes, the higher level classes does not depend on the lower level classes, rather they must depend on the interfaces. So this is the high level class, these are the lower level class, and I am depending on the interface. This low level classes is also dependent on the interface, the high level classes are also dependent on the interface. And yeah, this is the definition that says, but in practicality there are two things that is going to take place in dependency inversion. Firstly, I try to invert the dependency, and the second is dependency injection. And where does this dependency is getting injected? it is getting injected in the main class. So whenever I create a main class, I inject the function which function inject the class which I want to add, or which I want the class to perform. So the main function will be like just like a remote. I click the button and whatever the object I have provided, that will automatically triggers. So this is what dependency inversion principle is. And that's it for today, which is all about solid principle. Bye bye.